So everyone, hello. Basically, uh, kinda. This is kind of a ripoff of a channel I probably should not mention, or you will call me a man baby in the comments. But like, more like a copy, at least. Cause yeah, I'm actually doing the videos, I guess. It's out of nowhere, sure, but like, all my characters. I mean, once again, don't call me a man baby, cause I do got your life. Yeah, just don't call me a man baby, please. Even though I'm not even a man, and I'm actually a child, and in that case, please don't comment anything like too weird or inappropriate. No, seriously, just, you can still do things like, oh, I don't know, like gender swaps and stuff. Just like nothing too inappropriate. Oh, and also with heck send unknown, basically, if you have any does that include him getting burned, I mean like the burned wood, like you get burned by fire, not like roasted burned. Basically, for the special occasion that heck send unknown gets burned, I actually made a charred version. And believe it or not, Frisk was actually gonna be somewhere in here. Believe it or not, I actually do have a few other characters, like Frisk. Yeah, my friend actually did make me, like, change it, cause she didn't like how the eyes were always closed and everything, but I tried explaining to her just normal risk, and that she was going to have to deal with it, but yeah, she just didn't. So basically we're here now, trying to just find like the straight line mouth on camera. I feel like everyone has already seen it, and in the comments they're just like, oh wait, it's right here. But I'm just like, no, is it? But actually is. Is this good enough? No. Must keep looking! Wee! That was meant to sound like we. Not we. Like, was I saying we? You? But anyways, yeah, I do also have Risk, which going to actually try to change to, Frisk. Right now, boom, there's that, and boom, no, wait, no, I don't know if Risk actually was under. I don't actually know if Risk was like a long sleeve and Undertale, so yeah, there's that. Oh. I don't remember. I think it was just like plain black. I do remember Frisk having shoes, and I think they were brown. I don't know. I wouldn't know. Oh wait, I didn't see that. Boom, remove, boom, remove. That's just normal Frisk. Well, anyways, while I do not really know why I'm recording, basically, you can't use this one because, well, he's gay and I didn't even make him. Just a little heads up. In fact, I might be deleting him soon. Sans, kinda to go with Frisk. Cover? Wait. Dang it! She made me edit. Okay, it actually isn't that bad. Raccoon Mario, who is singing. It was meant to be like a funny, haha, do the Mario joke. Lonk. Yeah! Waste Risk. Papyrus, who is a midget. There was something I wanted to do where, like, you made the stuffed animals talk. Something. Yeah. So yeah, I gotta make him like as tall as he is in the game. So yeah, you can actually also pick from Papyrus, Frisk, Lonk, Raccoon Mario, Kara, and Sans. But not Jackson. Not him. I will try to make him another character. Okay? But then, if my friend came over and saw that I got rid of Jackson, she would probably get mad at me and not be my late epic friend anymore. I feel like people only watch this channel for the memes. What am I talking about? Nobody watches this channel. But anyways, here's the crew, the main peep. I was going somewhere with this video. This video is now just me remaking Frisk to look like Frisk. Frisk. Okay, if my friend sees this video, Frisk does not look like Frisk without the eyes shut and the mouth shut. Frisk never talks or never opens her I don't know, eyes. That's is the bad boy. Well, unless you can't count the genocide ending. And besides, Frisk probably isn't even a boy. In fact, it's more like an it, because you can't even find out the gender. But